benevolence makes promising development. The medical history, in a sense, can be considered as the history of human civilization. While the respect and love for life, and a sense of mission for developing healthcare industry constitute the soul of pharma enterprises. The basic rules of pharma enterprises development are the combination of national needs with the goal of enterprises, based on the needs of the people, corresponding to the direction of the national civil Medicare development, and promoting the development of the entire pharma industry. Furen Medicines Group was established in 1998. The company philosophy is heal the world with medicines, benefit people with benevolence. Our development principle is specialization, profession, concentration. Since 2001, Furen has accomplished 5 M&As in only 6 years and established an industry system through a series of accurate addition. At present, Furen Medicines Group mainly consists of Furen Haiqing Tong Pharma Company Limited, Kaifeng Pharma Group Company Limited, Kaifeng Yugong Pharma Company Limited, Henan Tongyuan Pharma Company Limited, Furen Pharma R&D Company Limited, and Furen Medicines Group Sales Company Limited. In 2005, Furen Tong Pharma Company Limited was listed in the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Since then, Furen has entered into a rapid growth stage and its industrial position has elevated. In 2011, National Ministry of Industry and Information Technology published the pharma industry rank list. Furen Medicines Group ranked among the top 14. The early stage development strategy, products as the core, M&A as the main line, has finally made Furen achieve rapid growth on productivity and product lines in a rather short period of time. Now Furen already has 23 dosage forms, including small volume injection, lyophilized powder, oral solid preparation, and approximately 1,000 approved numbers. The productivity of Furen is among the top in China pharma industry. The enterprise reorganization, M&A, are the core of enterprise capital operation and are also an important method to achieve asset securitization and management internationalization. It can help us to integrate resources to the maximum extent and obtain the advantages that your enterprise doesn't have previously in a short period of time. And this is also a common way broadly used among international corporations. By optimizing and integrating our assets, talents and management resources, and absorbing investment funds, Furen achieved the diversity of the property rights and investors. And this is an important option to achieve management and brand internationalization. Making high-quality drugs for ordinary people is the mission of Furen. In responding to the new market environment, Furen rapidly proposed a management guiding ideology of blockbuster, products-led, profit-oriented, and product line structure supported. Furen practices the marketing principle of focusing on products, single-point breakthrough, and starts to build its industry expert image through an accurate appeal of the professional manufacturer of antiviral drugs. At the same time, in M&As, Furen invests large amount of resources to strengthen the building of innovative platform and innovative teams. In 2003, Furen Pharma R&D Company Limited was established. In 2006, Furen Medicines Group Technology Center was approved as National Appointed Enterprise Technology Center by National Development and Reform Commission and other national ministries and commissions. A postdoctoral research station was also established upon approval of National Ministry of Human Resources. In 2007, Furen approved by Henan Science and Technology Agency to establish Henan Traditional Chinese Medicine Preparation Engineering Technology Center. In 2011, Furen established a national-level key laboratory approved by National Development and Reform Commission. While facilitating the advancement of technology and practical experience, Furen has also proposed the development goal of fencing-free R&D institution, boundless marketing, establishing Pharmaceutical R&D Alliance as a framework, following pharma R&D path of resource sharing and common development, and striving to develop the core technologies with independent intellectual property. Every year, Furen invests almost 6% of its turnover in R&D. Compared with most domestic companies that spend less than 2%, Furen is undoubtedly far-sighted. Since 2008, Furen has received 25 new drugs approval. In 2009, Furen signed a strategic partnership agreement with Beijing Yuansa and henceforth began its biomedicines development project. With excellent R&D team and advanced pharma technology, Furen is heading for the biopharma industry. In 2010, Furen is among the top 3 in the R&D rank list issued by SFDA. In 2009, 170 Furen drugs were included in the National Essentials Drugs list, about 55% of the total. In the same year, 413 Furen drugs were included in the National Reimbursement Drug list, and Furen became one of the companies owned the most products in the list. Perseverance brings opportunities. China healthcare reform is like a raging fire, pushing social welfare towards the grassroots along the road of the national essential drug system. In pharma market, the pattern and roles are facing subversion. The low-cost oriented purchase and sale are becoming clearer, and ground floor markets start to stand out. Furen, with its rich variety of products, sufficient product supplies, and adequate financial support, has become one of the biggest beneficiaries in healthcare reform. At present, Furen ranks in the top list in terms of production capacity. Each year, Furen produces 5.2 billion vials of small volume injection, 1.2 billion vials of powder for injection, 200 million vials of lyophilized powder for injection, 15 billion tablets and capsules, 600 million sachets of granules, 50 million bags of soft packaging large infusion solution, 1 billion bottles of oral solution, and 2,500 tons of APIs. As the improvement of production capability, Furen begins to pay attention to the direction and tread of global healthcare reform. The new factory of Furen Medicines Group, which was built up and got into production in 2011, will be the largest essential drugs production base in China. This production base will constantly master the opportunities along with global healthcare reform. Furen is steadily marching towards its strategic objective of global generic drug manufacturer in China. Through continuous self-perfection and rapid growth, Furen has been constructing large market, well-known brand and blockbuster products in China pharma industry, and becoming an international enterprise which has its own brand and many intellectual properties by making generics and discovering NMEs, innovating operation and management, holding the value of harmony but different win-win the world, establishing scientific and effective mechanism, constructing competitive guarantee system. Furen will spare no efforts to build our core competence and produce medicines which are safe, effective, available, and affordable. In the near future, we strongly believe Furen, the new aircraft carrier in China pharma industry, will certainly create great glories in its own route sailing in the ocean of international market.